Hello and welcome exhibitors. Are you planning to organize an exhibition but do not know where to start? Don't worry. We'll help you out in this video with a step-by-step guide on how to plan and execute a successful exhibition. From setting goals to managing logistics, we'll cover everything you need to know to make your exhibition a success. First things first, define your objectives clearly. What do you hope to achieve with this exhibition? Whether it is generating inquiries, boosting sales, raising awareness, or simple networking. Having clear goals is essential. Next, establish a budget. Determine how much you can afford to spend on various items like venue rental, marketing, construction, technology, and staffing, etc. Allocating funds wisely will ensure you stay within budget while achieving your goals effectively. Choosing a suitable venue is critical. Consider factors like location, footfall expectation, size, accessibility, and amenities. The venue should align with your theme perfectly and cater to your target audience. Create a detailed timeline with key milestones from planning to execution. Set deadlines for tasks like securing permissions, designing, promotion material, construction details, and setup itself. Tracking timelines ensures everything stays on track. Select a theme that reflects your objectives and resonates with your audience. Develop a cohesive design concept for this space, including promotion materials, samples, facade signage, and interactive technology elements. Plan logistics carefully. Take agency partner on board well in advance. Help them arrange necessary equipment, transportation, and staffing. Coordinate setup and tear down to ensure smooth operations during the exhibition. Coordinate logistics with vendors and service providers. Finalize arrangement and conduct site visits to ensure everything meets your specifications. Promote the exhibition using a comprehensive marketing plan. Utilize online, offline channels to generate excitement that will help you attract more and more attendees. Compelling content and visuals are key. Execute the exhibition with precision. Brief staff on their roles, monitor setup, and address any issues promptly. The goal is to ensure everything is ready for the big day. Manage the entire process with patience. Provide on-site support to staff and attendees constantly. Monitor traffic flow very closely and address concerns if any. A well-managed exhibition leads to happy outcomes. Mind you, proper follow-up shall be done after the event. Send thank you note to attendees, evaluate the exhibition's performance, and identify areas of improvement. Reviewing your own work ensures future success. By following these steps, you will be well prepared to plan and execute a perfect exhibition. Remember, attention to detail and effective coordination are key to a successful exhibition.